Hi, this is John Modlin, Senior Systems Engineer for Profitap in North America. So I'm going to show you today how you can access our IOTA using some of the available APIs that are built into the device. This is our network visibility capture analysis sensor. It comes in a few different models here. We have a 1G, a 1G Plus, a 10G, and a 10G Plus model. And the 1G Plus has 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte SSD. That's optional, and built-in GPS for hardware timestamping. And the 10G model has SFP cages there. And then our standard models, the 1G and the 10G. So they all have APIs you can use to access these devices and do some remote functions if you want to. And I'm going to show you some of those and how to do that, or one way to do that anyway. So we have a website here, iota.profitap.com/API, and I'm going to go to the index here. And here is a list of APIs that you can use to access the IOTA. But how are you going to do it? So there's a couple of different types of commands. There's the post type command, and then there is a get type command. So what are we going to use to send APIs to this? For this example, I'm just going to use curl. So you can download curl at curl.se. This isn't anything to do with Profitap, but it's just a program command line tool you can use. In this example, of course, you could use whatever your programming choice is to access these APIs also. So I'm going to go to an IOTA that is running here on the network, in line here. And how do I do that? So using curl, I can use these options here, and I'm sending username and password here. If it's a post type command, I'm including this format, the IP address and the :3000 port of the IOTA, and the directory tree here internally in the IOTA, and finally the API command. Or for non-post type commands, you can see I've taken out -x post, and then I've listed the command here. Now, here's just some of these APIs I thought were probably easily used by engineers who want to access their IOTAs. They might be a remote IOTA that's difficult to get to for some reason, and you could restart the IOTA remotely, or you could start a software update from the cloud if it has access to the internet. And there's a lot of other APIs you could program, get status, things like that. So I wrote a little routine to let me do that here. So I could go to a device, for example, using my little program that uses curl under the hood. And it comes back with my IOTA hardware status, my fan speed, the temperature of the device. I get a message here telling me the command was successfully performed. And I pre-programmed some of these commands that are, I thought, more common in this little batch routine here. And like I said, of course, you can use any program that you want to do this, of course. Just try another command here. So here is get IOTA system configuration. Here I can tell it's running version 173, the time, and these are pretty simple commands. I can restart devices remotely. I can update from the cloud. I can do a factory reset. So under the hood, this is just a simple batch program. Nothing special here, but I figured this way anybody could look at this and see what I'm doing here. I just put the command together. It's really just using curl and builds the command based on if it's an X post or if it's not an X post, and builds a construct that way. So that's how easy it is to access your IOTAs using its APIs. Of course, you can use Python or whatever language you want to use, of course, to access the APIs as well. Okay, I'm trying to keep my videos short. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later.